Hi guys, welcome back to CryptoCherry community. Today I am here again with another great video. In this video I'm gonna talk about Athereum Network blockchain and Athereum token. In this video we're gonna look at both of them, and before I start my video guys, I want to mention that this video is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just informational, so let's start. As you can see guys, this is Athereum Network, revolutionizing real estate, mining and minerals with blockchain. As you can see, the website is ethereum.biz and ethereumtoken.com. And let's look at the table of content. In this video, we're gonna look at the introduction, how we are, why you choose us, and why launch our token, our scope and ecosystem, our referral program and their rewards. As you can see in introduction section, welcome to Athereum, a visionary company established in 2012, specializing in real estate and mining industries. Since our inception, we have continuously worked towards enhancing our capabilities and expanding our business reach. In 2017, we ventured into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, inspired by the success of Ethereum coin. Now in 2024, we are proud to announce the launch of our very own token, Ethereum token, which marks a significant milestone in our journey. Our primary goal with the launch of Ethereum token is to bring greater stability to our business while allowing us to expand our operations globally. The support of our community and the strategic implementation of blockchain technology will help us extend our reach to industries such as e-commerce, online gaming, and more. Our long-term vision includes developing our blockchain and cryptocurrency wallet and a multi-chain exchange. Who we are. At Ethereum, we are a pioneering company with a strong foundation in real estate and mining since 2012. In 2017, we ventured into cryptocurrency and blockchain inspired by Ethereum success, and in 2024, we are launching our own token, Ethereum token, to create a stable financial foundation and expand globally into e-commerce, gaming, and blockchain development. Our mission is to build a comprehensive ecosystem, including our own blockchain, multi-chain wallet, and decentralized exchange, revolutionizing digital finance for a global audience. Join us on this exciting journey. And why choose us? They have proven expertise, innovative blockchain, and they have global expansion across industries, and they have future-proof development. Let's look at them. With over 10 years of experience in real estate and mining, Ethereum has established a solid foundation that enables us to expand into new and innovative sectors like blockchain and cryptocurrency. The launch of Ethereum token reflects our commitment to enhancing business stability and exploring new technologies. Our token is designed to drive innovation and create long-term value. Beyond real estate and mining, we are actively entering industries like e-commerce and online gaming, with a strategic focus on expanding our reach globally. And we are focused on building a comprehensive ecosystem that includes our own blockchain, cryptocurrency wallet, and a multi-chain exchange, ensuring our technology remains cutting edge for years to come. And tokenomics of Athereum token. Why we launched Athereum token. The launch of Athereum token is a strategic move to expand our business globally. By leveraging blockchain technology, we aim to raise funds to grow and create profitable, sustainable business. Athereum token offers investors an exciting opportunity to be part of our long-term vision for global success and expansion. Total supply is 70 million Athereum token. Circulation supply is 45 million Athereum token. Initial price is 0.1 per token. And decimal precision is 18 decimals. Blockchain is Binance Smart Chain BEP20, and exchange listing. Athereum token will be listed on major exchanges after 2 ICO phases, increasing its reach and liquidity. Scope of the Athereum token ecosystem. The Athereum token is designed to be at the heart of rapidly growing, innovative ecosystem that spans multiple industries. Our vision goes beyond just launching a cryptocurrency. It's about creating a comprehensive, dynamic environment where businesses and individuals can thrive using blockchain technology, real estate, and mining. Athereum token will streamline assets management, transactions, and investments, ensuring greater efficiency and security. E-commerce and online gaming. Athereum will be preferred payment method, offering fast, secure, and cost-effective transactions. Blockchain development. Athereum token fuels the creation of our own blockchain, supporting smart contracts, decentralized apps, and ecosystem governance. Cryptocurrency wallet and exchange. A secure wallet and multi-chain exchange will simplify token storage, trading, and usage. Global expansion and partnership. Athereum token enables seamless transaction and partnership worldwide, opening doors for investors and developers in emerging markets. Also, there is how to join our referral program. Firstly, you have to sign up, register in BNB supported decentralized wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, and etc. Secondly, make an investment. Make a minimum of 25 up to 200,000. You can receive free tokens, get free tokens based on your investments. And you can claim tokens, instant claim your tokens in your wallet. Earn daily AI algorithm profits. Receive daily live trading profits from BTC and gold via AI algorithms. And there is ROI profit across 20 levels. Earn ROI profits across 20 levels. You can take rewards, enjoy additional rewards based on your participation. Also, there is earn daily AI algorithm profits. Receive daily live trading profits from BTC, Solana, and gold via AI algorithms. Invest a minimum of $25 to $200,000 and you will earn 0.33% to 1% daily dollar. And level sponsoring income. Unlock up to 20 levels of profit. As you can see, at first level this is 50% and at second level this is 20%. But when you refer 5 sponsors and you can achieve 3,500 in businesses to earn 100% rewards at level 2. And there is rewards, instant rewards, and monthly performance bonuses. As you can see, there is Star, Premier, Jewel, Crown Jewel, Topaz, Sapphire, and Emerald. You can get them, you can earn them. As you can see, there is total sales, businesses, spot income, monthly bonus, and 14 months total monthly net profit. You can look at them. And moving down, last is terms and conditions. Deposit only USDT accepted. Token purchase, buy or sell anytime. Decentralized process. Sign up required in the app. Retop up. Users can top up after total earnings reach 3x. Rewards not counted. Minimum withdrawal is $10 and payout availability 24/7 for eligible users. AI algo profits. Earn daily profits in USDT. Withdrawals, withdraw to Trust Wallet anytime. Withdrawal chains, 10% directly change, $5 admin fee, and $5 for valid top up. Athereum refund policy. Users can withdraw capital with 3 months with a 20% fine and commission deduction. The remaining amount will be refunded. And moving down, there is websites of Athereum, athereumtoken.com and athereum.biz. And that's all about Athereum and Athereum token. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the like button. See you in the next videos.